So, I got a bass guitar. I just got in the mail today. Thought I would do an unboxing. But before I start, one of the biggest reasons I wanted to do an unboxing today was to kind of give you guys an update. I haven't uploaded in like, I don't know, months at least. And so I just wanted to also tell you guys what was going on. So I'll get to the bass last. We're gonna look at some of the things that I got in the meantime as well. But anyway, I'm doing summer classes at community college right now, so that with work is kind of why I haven't been uploading that much. It's just hard to make videos when I'm always doing stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much all that I've been doing though. I have a few videos that I've been trying to work on, but it's just, I'll be honest, I don't really like editing. So a lot of those are in that stage. There's one about my computer that I'm not sure if I'll finish up just because the editing was really tedious. And then another Overwatch video, which also is very tedious to edit. But anyway, we'll start with this. This is just like some headphones that I got. It's just off of Amazon. Oh, and I'll put links to everything in the description as well, so you can check it out too. But this I got like $25. I actually got it for $20 since it was Prime Day. How do you open this? Ah, there you are. Yeah. Well, I guess I kind of got out everything I needed to as far as updating with. So we can get started on unboxing here. It's not expensive. It's just a plastic kind of mold for these, but I just wanted something so I could listen to either my drums or the bass through the amp. So these are the headphones here. I wanted to get tight ones as well so that they fit and don't come off. Oh wow, that actually fits well. I have a small head, so they might be a little bit too tight for some people. They actually are almost perfect for me. They are not wireless, by the way. The wire is just somewhere else in here. Let's have this converter here for the regular, whatever it's called, regular headphone jack to the 1/4 inch that you'll see in basses and other music stuff a lot. But then, let's see, we got one here, one cable. It's actually kind of short, but there's two of them in here actually. And there's just a regular like auxiliary cable looking thing. This actually has a controller on it. It looks like just for volume, but that's kind of cool. This one is a little bit longer, but it's also smaller. I wonder why they gave you two. It's interesting. I don't know if they're different at all. This one just looks cheaper to me. Well, so yeah, there's that to start off with. Get this kind of wrapped up here. What do we got next? Oh, I just got a little tuner for the bass. This was just the best seller on Amazon, so that's why I got this one. It was like $8. Oh, it has like a little nice packaging. It's not like anything super special, but I was expecting just plastic or something. Richer tones or weight? Some sort of, I'm not sure, promotion. And some instructions. And here we are. Yeah, that's pretty cool. You can adjust this as well quite a bit, but I think it's pretty simple. Just clip it on there, turn it on, tells you what to do. We'll test that out once we get the bass out of there. And then this, I believe, I got a little guitar stand for for the bass as well, just to stand it up, make it look nice. This is just Amazon Basics stuff. They've got like so much stuff nowadays. Yeah. Not super expensive either. Little manual here. Cardboard. Alright. Let's try to figure this thing out. That just kind of clips like that. Seems like it's just pretty easy to fold in and out, which is cool. Like what? Why is it that way? Is it supposed to be that way? No. There we go. I don't know where I'll put it, but there's that for right now. Alright, now to get to the good thing. So, I'll start talking about what I got. So this is a bass from Davison's Guitars or something like that. I don't know. It was super cheap on Amazon. Had decent reviews though. I just want to see if I could possibly learn bass. I know it's not easier than guitar, but I mean 4 strings versus 6. I hope I can at least move my fingers a little bit better. But this also had like a bunch of stuff that you need as well, so that was a good deal. This is a big package though. Oh, I have some plans for the future, I guess I can talk about. So hopefully I want to do some more like tutorials like the Photoshop one. Maybe go into Illustrator next. Maybe do some more Overwatch stuff. I'm not sure. I actually had thought about though doing like live streams on YouTube for Overwatch, just because I don't have to edit a live stream. And editing is my least favorite part of making videos. Alright, so this got a little bass here. Or not bass, amplifier. Let's check this out. Okay, got a little strap here. And some documentation, some plastic, some cardboard. Alright, but it's a pretty small bass. Oh, let's load it around. Pretty small bass. I didn't want anything big because I mean I'm just going to be using it here in my bedroom. So nothing really that I don't need a big one, I should say, for any reason really. Let's plug it in here. No like feedback or anything. Oh, there was that. I mean, I guess there's feedback if I have the bass plugged in. So here is the bass. Let's see if there's anything else here before then. Oh, maybe not. Just 2 pieces of plastic. Oh, okay. Wait, is there? No. Did I say 2 pieces of plastic? This is cardboard. Alright, let's get this opened up here. Am I still in frame? I hope so. Oh. Alright. Let's get this over here so you can see it. Alright. First, we got some important customer information. Little thank you, another thank you. Cable for the amp here. Oh, and then a little Allen wrench thingy. Oh, a tiny little Allen wrench with it. Look at how small that is. Alright. Oh, you know what? It's got some stuff here about tuning and looks like a few first chords. That's actually kind of cool. They did advertise a lot that they had everything you needed to get started on playing bass. Warning, keep out of reach of children. Alright, I got a little strap and some picks here. Let's see. Got 3 picks. They feel actually super loose. I'm not sure if that's intentional. Because isn't it like a stiffer pick is supposed to be for more experienced players and softer ones for a little bit newer players? I have not even touched a bass. I've touched a guitar, obviously. I had a guitar, and I'm actually selling it just because I never played it. Hopefully I'll play this, actually. But, yeah. This is the first look at, or first time I ever, like, touched a bass, even. So, I had heard some people say that the strap is too, short. Let's extend it out all the way, see how it is. That's not too bad. No, that should be fine. I guess I am a little bit short, so maybe it's short for some people. Alright, before I get to the bass, I just wanted to also look at this other stuff. Little bag here. Looks like it's basically just a cover for the bass, but still kind of a nice addition. Let's get this guy out of here. Sorry, I'm just getting organized here. I want to make sure everything that I want is in this box and everything else I can throw away. Alright. The black bass, I knew that though. Looks pretty good. Here we are. It's got a nice kind of gloss finish. It's pretty light, and then just a nice light wood here. Some dials here. I'm not sure how to use those yet. This is probably not in tune, but let me see if I can't play like, oh gosh, this is longer than my guitar. Is it okay? It is. Let me see if I can't play like Smoke on the Water or something. Okay, this is not in tune, but alright, let's see if we can plug it in. Where'd the cord go? Is it over here? Where did it go? There you are. Hello. Alright. And then here we are. The plug here is right at the bottom. I like that, it's kind of out of the way. And then plug it in, turn it on. So like I said, this is way out of tune, but let's try this here. I like that. Oh, that's not right. Alright, so judge my bass playing. You can kind of hear how it is. Let's see if we can't adjust a few settings here. Or figure out maybe what these are. Oh, that's the volume. Yep. So let's put that in like the middle. Oh, wait, that sounds like the volume. Oh, it's one bass, one treble. I don't know. Alright, I'll have to kind of experiment with this, but let's see, volume and then tone. So treble bass maybe? I don't know. Alright, well, anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I'll put the links to the stuff in the description. I'll have to play with this a little bit. Alright, have a good day.